Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix iPhone black screen but still works. If you're facing this kind of trouble on your iPhone, this is what you have to do. The one solution you can try out is all about you have to do a forced restart on your iPhone. So to do so, what you need to do is you have to just go over here, press the volume up followed by the volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button over here unless and until you see the Apple logo. Just remove your hand when you see the Apple logo and you're all fine with it. Right now your iPhone will be just kind of forced restart, so just wait for it patiently. And you have to give your passcode and you have to just get into the iPhone, and right now you'll not be facing any kind of trouble kind of these, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it, bye.